What's going on, everybody? It's a beautiful Wednesday afternoon here in Oklahoma. So today I will be reviewing the Vulcan ProTig 205 from Harbor Freight. Everybody loves a good Harbor Freight welder, am I right? I'm gonna be honest with you guys, this thing served me well. I've had it for about a year. You know, I do more playing than anything with it, but we're gonna get into it. I'm gonna show y'all really what this thing can do. We're running 100% argon on this bad boy, and we typically keep about 175, 165 on the amps, 0.6 pre-flow, 125 hertz on the AC frequency, 75%, whatever this means, it works well for me. 5.0 post-flow, pulse is off. Now, like I said, guys, this is what works for me. Feel free to go through the settings and adjust as you please. Trial and error. I'm going to be honest, for what I do, some light to medium heavy duty aluminum, some steel. Those settings are fantastic. Like I said, 100% argon. What you're probably here for, you want to see how it welds. Well, give me 1 second. I'm going to throw my hood on, and we're going to do just that.
You can hear the buzzing that the welder puts off. If you haven't been around TIG welders before, some of them do put a very high-pitched, loud buzzing sound as you're welding. It gets pretty annoying. I just put in earplugs. It makes all the difference. I would say you get used to the buzzing, but to be honest with you, it really just drives you crazy the more you have to hear it without earplugs. It's not going to take away any points overall for the welder because, like I say, it's common, but I do recommend earplugs. All right, straight from the hood flip to the good shit. So we got a couple welds on here. That's pretty dang good, if I gotta say so for myself, for a $1,000 welder. Is it gonna weld 14 hours a day like your Miller or Lincolns can? Probably wouldn't advise it. For DIY guys, people like me, do a couple side projects for their buddies, for themselves, weld 5 hours, 10 hours a week. This thing is perfect. It's everything you need for an at-home setup. Now I'm going to show you the consumables that I personally use with this machine. Consumables of what I'm using with this. We got the good old number 5 cup. I did all this stuff from CK Worldwide. You can't go wrong. Very high quality. 3 30-second collet body. Once again, CK Worldwide. 3 30-second collets. That's about all I run. With this right here, I can do plenty of aluminum and steel. Get you a couple extra TIG tails. Now, this is the real thing that's going to make the difference when it comes to putting beads down. The Weldmark tungsten electrode. 2% lanthanated. This goes down to preference. Some guys like the green, some guys like the red. I really do like these 2% lanthanated blue tips. Real good clean arc and bead out of it. It gets the job done. It's consistent. I can go from steel or aluminum with this, and it works pretty dang good every time. So if you're just getting into it and you don't know what to get yet, I would probably say go ahead and get this. 3 30-second on the collets, number 5 cup, 2% lanthanated tungsten electrode. With this combo, you're pretty good to go. And after that, you know, get some preferences, try different things, go from there. Starting out, gotta recommend this right. Pick one, bang for your buck, AC/DC TIG welder that will also do stick. It's gonna be the Vulcan ProTig 205 from Harbor Freight. $1,000, $1,200, you can't go wrong, guys. DIYers, side hustlers, this is where you want to go. Miller, Lincoln, they're great. Move up to that later. For now, this is what you need. I'm telling you, it welds good. It'll get the job done. You can learn on it, do a little stick here and there. It's the perfect little thing you need for your shop or garage. Till next time, I'm out.